I got a cab high fiberglass top, the ranch cap for the 99-07 Ford Super Duty with the 8-foot bed. Has half side sliding windows on the side. It's dark blue. It's in pretty good shape. Somebody's mounted some clearance lights here on the side. But the paint's in good shape. I don't see a lot of damage on the paint here on this side. Not a lot of damage on the top or the top edge. A little bit of scuff marks down here on the edge. Some yellow paint. Bottom edge looks pretty good all the way down through here. Front edge has some damage, a little bit of a paint chips and scratches here. Some chips up through here. Go around the top edge, it looks pretty good. Down through this side looks good. And no real major damage that I can see other than some paint chips right through here. Back here. A couple of scratches, nicks right there. It's got a scratch right there and some scratches right along this edge, bottom edge there. This edge, top edge, and the roof looks good over here on this side. Really, I mean, as far as paint finish goes, this one looks pretty good. A little bit of nick right there, but nothing that I can see along this bottom edge. Bottom edge looks good all the way down until you get to this front side here. Half side sliding windows on this side as well. Double T-handle locking rear door. It's carpeted interior on the inside. There's no screens in the sliding windows here. Front picture window looks good. It's wet because we just washed it. But no screens on this side either. There's the wiring for the cargo lights on the side. And then the ones for this side as well. It is a ranch fiberglass top. So it is cab high ranch fiberglass cap. It's the 99-07 Ford Super Duty with the 8-foot bed, dark blue in color. Thanks for watching.